There's no rose without a thorn, no rain without the storm. There is no laughter without tears, no wisdom without years. In a world gone crazy, torn between the roads that we must choose, win or lose. If every soul should lose its way, if every face should lose its name, tell me who's gonna stop the rain? Each day another boy and girl sets foot into this world. One reaches out to touch the sky, one never learns to fly. Where is it written in the stone that any child should walk alone, out on their own? If no one tries to end this game or find a way to ease the pain, tell me who's gonna stop the rain?